Okay, OKKS. Now we set the controlling area to PAP9. Safa, this is our controlling area, right? Okay. SPRO. Okay, controlling and controlling will go for settings of profit center accounting, basic settings, controlling area settings. Okay, it is active for 2024, and we have standard hierarchy and we have a dummy profit center in place also. That is good. And direct postings, we'll have to set the control parameters for actual data. Now, what is this? Since SAP CO does not get direct postings, so to reflect direct postings, we need line items, not totals, but line items, and it should be real time. That is online transfer, and it will be done for 2024. So we'll have to configure for 2025 as well, line items and online transfer. Why do we keep it locked? So that no entries are basically passed to the controlling area in cycles. Okay. So now we have for both the years, because we'll have to change the year next year and the fiscal year will change. And now profit center basic settings are done. Master data, profit centers, and we'll create profit centers, which is the T code is change profit centers. Profit centers in PAP9, we'll see how many do we need them, and then we'll pass entries in this standard hierarchy. Company code is PAP9. Okay, start search. Okay, we have plant 1 and 2 and 3 and dummy profit center accounts. That is good. Now let's go and check our front end cost centers. Accounting, controlling, cost center accounting, master data, standard hierarchy, and OKEON. Okay, now we have cost centers over here, which are made. P01 and 02, P stands for PAP, and P201, body shop, assembling, paint shop, and processing. Okay, so our baseline configuration is good. Now we'll go for financial entries in general ledger. But first, we'll have to see the master records, they are made or not. In FS00 centrally. And over here, the company code is XAP9. We'll change it from here, PAP9. Okay, we have cash account, expenses, and liabilities. Okay, now, now these accounts are okay. And we'll see if we have documents already entered for this company code PAP9 2024. Enter document number, document list, and execute. Enter, press enter on this orange. And we have two documents that we have entered. Okay. What are those? Let's see. Double click. And we have salary and rent that has been created. Okay. 11,000, 16,000, 7,000. And this has been reflected in the profit center through these cost centers. Now, one of the cost centers is reporting to the dummy because there was no profit center mentioned in the master data. In P101, we had profit center P101 mentioned in the master data. Okay. Now, next is to check. Now, since we have actually entered the documents, controlling, cost center accounting, and information systems, reports, cost centers, and actual comparison. Let's check with this one. Okay. From period 1 to 1, okay, plan is 0. PAP9 is the controlling area. Will not take the cost center or values. Will just execute it. Okay, now over here we have values already we entered, and the actual costs for salaries and rents expenses have been reflected in the cost center. If you want to see on an individual level, we'll see the breakup on individual level. Okay. That being said,
Yes, sir.
KB05. Okay, KB05 doesn't exist. And next is basically we will just a second, give me a second. Okay, now we'll create P2000 valid from 2024 master data. And what will be the narration for that? It will be CC P1001, 1002, 1003. P. Okay. Common cost center for, okay, person responsible, Mr. Jim. Hierarchy area will be the standard hierarchy area. It will be picked up automatically and save. Cost center category. Okay, cost center category will be admin. Yeah. Let me just show you the categories. Or we'll just keep it for production. Save. Next is FB01L. 01L 01. Okay, 400, 400, 500. 36,000. P2000. Now this is the cost center that we just created. Another will be 40, 400, 600. Now this is another account. Does not cost center P2. Huh? On 104? 102. House. Okay. KS0102. P2000. We did not save it. Okay. Master data. It does not exist. 2000? No. KS01. P2000. Master data. Okay. Common cost center. Common cost center. Gym. Hierarchy area path 9. Profit center no. And save. Okay, it was not created first. Okay, FB01L 01 40 400 500. Enter 36,000 P2000 40 400 600 9,000 P2000 and 50 200 691 star. Enter. Okay, 45,000. Display document overview, and we'll repost it. We'll post it. Okay, document was posted. Next is KE5Z. This is profit center line items. Okay. And profit center line items, and we'll just check the amount, which is 1. So we have PAP9 profit center K5Z, and choose a layout, company code currency, and you just entered an amount 36 and 9, and it was posted to dummy because P2000 cost center has no profit center. So naturally and by default, the dummy profit center gets picked up. So this is a behavior of SAP. Now what we'll do is we will repost it from dummy to either P01 or 103. We'll see that. KB11N will use KB11N. Okay. We have to make sure the dates are aligned. Otherwise, the dates can make the reports go haywire. Okay. And the old cost center is P2000, where the entry was reflected. P2000 cost element is 400, 500. Okay, 400, 500. And the amount that we have to enter is AED. Sorry, 12,000 to cost center new 1001. 10,000 AED to P1002. So we are actually transferring cost from P2000 to P101, 102, and 103 from salary account. As simple as that AED P1003. Okay, P2000, 400, 600, 3000 AED to P1001. Now you must be asking, why cannot we just consolidate it? We cannot, because we have to reflect it as line items P1002, P2000, 400, 600, 3000 AED P1003. Enter. Okay. So it is getting entered in AED. We'll post it. Document got posted under 901. Now, to check this, what we'll do is we'll go for KSB1. This is cost center report. Prod 01. Just okay, 01. Execute. Okay. Now in the prod groups, cost center group, we actually entered and transferred amounts. Okay, in AED. Now this is basically getting reflected in AED because this is in controlling area currency and master record. This is USD basically. So we will change the report. Okay, now it will change the layout. It will expand. Now over here, we can see that 901 was posted. 901 was posted. Okay, 3000 and 12,000. These got posted. Okay, 3000. This got posted and transferred to uh, um, P101 and P102. 901. This is the document. This is the document. Okay, 3000. Since P103 was not in the group, that's why it didn't get reflected. It didn't actually reflect. Okay. I hope this is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good, good, very good, very good, very good. So let's see the last part of today's lecture, KE5Z. KE5Z and okay, KE5Z. Now over here, we will have 9. I'll just click on this part and I will sort it. In 901, these are the entries. Okay, now these are in USD. So what I'll do, I'll choose the layout which will also show with company code currency, and in company code currency, document number, where is 901? Okay, it got left out somehow. Okay, if I want to add, come on. Okay. Okay, I want the document number. Base unit, and document. What was controlling area document? Record type. Document category, reference document, document number, account number. Okay. Reference document number, and I will pull this here, and I'll not save it yet. Okay. So you can see 901. Now, these are the amounts in USD, in AED. Okay. These were transferred from dummy to P101. This was transferred because this is credited from this profit center to this profit center. Okay. It's automatically done, and we don't have to do any extra legwork. I hope this was clear to you all.
Yes, sir.
Good.